Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is week Monday, so it is week 3 for Memy Mondays. If you are just now watching or catching on, we are doing a month-long hop, myself along with 8 other ladies. They will all be listed down below. Make sure you guys check out their channels. There's giveaways going on, all sorts of fun and inspiration. Make sure you guys check them out. And make sure that you guys leave them a comment with some bow emojis so I know that you've been watching and you're following along for my channel. So Memy Mondays, we're coming every Monday for the month of August. So we have one more week left after today, and we are coming to you with some memory decks inspirations. So let me show you guys what I did for week 1 in case you missed it. We created these boxes. I wanted all mine to be like bow themed, so I want them to house bows. I made those 2. You can check that out in week 1. Week 2, last week, I created these using this beautiful Lisa Horton die that I've been dying to play with. And so these are also boxes that you can put, and we made these from scratch, guys. So if you are a beginner, you want to create some 3D memory decks cards, check out my video. I show you step by step how to do it without any dies-ish. I did use a die for the frame, but everything else we just did by hand, okay? Now for week 3, I want to stick with the boxes, and I created this memory decks here. I'm gonna have to back this with pink, but it opens like an accordion, and then inside I have some mini memory dexes, mini memies. I love mini memory dexes. I should have did a removable glue. Oh, it's tearing up. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that. But I should have did a removable glue dot, and they're just the tiniest little memory dex cards, okay? And I wanted them to be bow themed, of course. So I'm gonna have to fix that. But isn't that cute, guys? It opens up and then it reveals 2 memory dex cards, little mini ones. So that is my project for week 3. I wanted to go ahead, and I have to put some kind of closure here so that it can stay closed. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. You guys can give me some ideas maybe. But that is my memory decks card for week 3. And I wanted to share how to make these little mini bow memory decks cards. So I went ahead and I cut out a square that measures 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. And then I cut out a piece of paper that measures 2 by 2. And I'm just gonna simply glue this together, guys. Really simple, cute little memory decks cards you can make. And you don't have to put a bow on it. You guys know I love bows, so I'm definitely gonna put a bow on this. But you can put whatever you want on this and just create a little mini memory decks card to go with your bigger ones, or just create a bunch of little mini memory decks cards. I'm also using these bow dies that I got from Temu. They're one of my favorite bows. This one in particular is one of my favorites. So it comes with these 4 pieces, and I want to make sure that I put some foam tape so that it can be nice, and I'm trying to see where my foam tape is, of course. So it can be nice and dimensional. I found it. Okay, so make sure you guys are following along. There's tons of giveaways going on. I announced some new sponsors. My friend Crafts by Cecilia, I'm gonna link her down below, guys. She is going to be sponsoring a mystery grab bag. If you guys have been following along with Memy Mondays, she's been a sponsor for me a few times, and she just makes the most beautifulest things. So I cannot wait to see what she's gonna create, guys. Make sure you guys are following her, and then I do have a few more sponsors to announce, so make sure you guys stay tuned and make sure you're playing along, okay? These prizes are only gonna be for people who are playing along, who are using the hashtag, creating videos, and all that good stuff, okay? We got some really awesome prizes on the line. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a piece of dimensional foam tape for each layer. I'm gonna do this one like this. Let me just follow how it goes. Y'all know I be trying to do my own thing sometimes. I feel like it goes this way. Okay. So stack it up And then let's put the center. Make sure you guys use the hashtag Puchys with an S, Memy, and then Mondays with an S, so that we can see your posts. Thank you to everyone who's been supporting us. Look at how pretty that bow is. And you can, like, you know, pop it up a little bit even more. But I had to show you guys how to create these little mini Memys. Little mini memory decks cards. Okay, and then we're gonna use our punch. Now, someone did leave a comment and said that they wish they had some dies or some punches. You guys can also use a hole puncher, and you can create a memory decks card. All you have to do, see, this is a square. You can use something like that if you have a punch like that, and then all you have to do is just cut a little slit right there. I've done it. Check out my other videos, because I did show how to create one years ago. I'll try to find it and link it if you're interested. And I'm just gonna glue this right on top to create our little mini bow memory decks card. Super simple. You can, like, you know, change the paper up. I just want to keep it really cute and pink. I'm not gonna embellish this. You can definitely embellish it, but these are just some cute little mini memory decks cards that I wanted to create with you all. And that is what I have for you for week 3 of Puchys Memy Mondays. So guys, make sure that you guys come back. Next week is going to be our final week. And then the following week after that, I think I will draw winners, okay? And I will have in that last video all the instructions. Just make sure you're following along, guys, and you're putting those bow emojis all over on my videos and the other ladies' videos. I'm watching to see who's participating and all that good stuff. So this is my memory decks card with the little minis. I love it. And then another little mini memory decks card. I had to show you guys how to create them. So let me know what you guys think about how am I gonna close this. I was thinking like tying some ribbon. I don't know. You guys let me know. Maybe I'll just do like a little Velcro latch. But let me know how I should do a closure for this so that it doesn't keep, you know, popping up on me. All right, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this week's project, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.